Alright, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Kobalt brushless circular saw. Let's make sure also that what you have here, this button in between the handle and the blade here, right here, this is the spindle lock button, locking the spindle from spinning. This is the spindle lock button so that you can take this washer and hex nut off. So first thing we want to do is make sure you have a good Allen wrench that fits. Go through your Allen wrenches, make sure you have the right size. On the saw, it's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to take it out. It's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So you're going to turn it clockwise to loosen it, counterclockwise to tighten it. Okay. Once you have it off, you have two pieces here, which is the hex nut and the black washer that you're going to take off. Once that's done, we're going to turn your cover, your blade cover. I'll turn it. So that you can securely place the blade onto the spindle. Pop your battery in place till it clicks. Once it's hand tight enough, you don't want to tighten it so much that you can't take it off when you need to. Place the first washer back on to the spindle. Make sure that the hex nut is just snug and not super tight. Pop your battery in place till it clicks, and with the press of a button, we are ready. Thank you for watching. This was setting up your Kobalt brushless circular saw with Alexander Aspects, interior design, landscaping, and remodeling.